You used to wait 2 months to get consumer insights, and now they're ready in 2 minutes. Thanks to AI, insights have never been faster. But are they better? Sure. AI can generate synthetic customer personas, run instant sentiment analysis, and even summarize huge data sets in seconds. Major brands are using it to brainstorm ideas, to cluster audiences, and even to generate survey questions on the fly. But as you well know, it's not all upside. Brands aren't the only ones using AI, as respondents have figured out how to use it to take surveys faster. Synthetic personas are only as good as the data they're being trained on. And even when your results come out looking polished and the insights look great, are you sure they're based on real buying behavior, or are they merely AI-generated assumptions and guesses? At Prelaunch.com, we believe that AI should not only make insights faster, but actually more reliable and valuable to you as a brand. That's why we've integrated AI where it really shines, to speed up analysis, to summarize objections, to cluster audiences, to help you with your project management overall. But the core, the validation, the insights, they're still coming from real people making real purchase decisions about your upcoming product. Because at the end of the day, the only thing worse than slow insights are fast insights that you can't trust. So if you want to move fast and get reliable insights based on real buyer behavior and not AI hallucinations, come give Prelaunch.com a try and see how AI can be more than just a dreamy buzzword of a future that never materializes.